how to play Steam VR using your Oculus Quest 2 headset, / basically how to play Half-Life Alyx.
Your first move is to go over to Oculus.com and install the Oculus PC app. And when the app's open, head on over to Settings, then Beta, and switch on AirLink. If you don't already have the regular Steam client installed, go ahead and do that. You can do it all from SteamPower.com. Also, you can run a test to see if your rig can support VR and download the Steam VR app. And you're going to make yourself a quick shortcut of the Oculus app and Steam VR app and save those to your desktop to get to later. So go into your quick settings of your Oculus headset by putting your headset on, obviously, then settings, and then look for experimental features. AirLink, for now, is in that menu. It will change over time, but for now, this is where you will find AirLink. Then I ask you if you want to hook up to your PC. You'll say yes, and then it might ask you if you want to launch the Oculus app on your PC. Of course, you're going to say yes. Now, using your Oculus controllers, you can navigate your desktop PC. First things first, you're going to fire up Steam VR. It's going to load into its own screen, and that's fine. You're going to hit the Oculus home button like you normally will. It'll bring up a menu, and you'll be able to navigate back to the desktop of your PC and then fire off your game. In this case, it's going to be Half-Life Alyx. And you'll wait for that to load after you hit the whole open button, however your rig is, and then hit Steam VR again to launch you right into the game. There's a little bit of another loading screen depending on power on your rig. Now you get the loading screen that you want to see. It's the start of your video game, and there's that sound from Valve. Oh, Valve sound. I just have to shut up for it and just pay respects. It's like how people get excited during the Marvel logo. That's my version of the Marvel logo, that Valve sound effect starting up. Now, you're launched into the video game. And of course, to exit Half-Life Alyx, it's really, really simple to do that as well in the game, and it's going to take you back to the Steam VR screen. You're going to want to exit that as well. You can quit the app, and you can, of course, go and quit AirLink as well.
And if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.